What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. So first you need to open the Microsoft Loop's website and then you need to sign up or log in. And after signing up or logging in, this is what the home page will look like. From here, you need to hover to this section and from here click on new page. After clicking on create new page, a page will open wherein you need to enter your title, and from here when you hover to the title you can add a background cover, and here are some background color that you can choose from. When you click on add, the background cover gets updated, and if you want to add some icons you can even add some icons. Like if I choose this, as you can see the icon has been added. Now from here I can start with a blank page, a project brief, a team decision, a project planning and meeting notes. But now let's say if I want to add a picture to my this page, I'll just open my file explorer here in the small pop-up window, and let's say I want this image. I'll just simply drag and drop it here on my page, and after that, as you can see, it says the file should be 10 MB or less than, but in SVG, JPEG, JPG, PNG. As you can see, I have brought up another image and then I have attached it to my page. So this is how you can attach documents in your Microsoft Loop. I have inserted a picture. You can even insert a video, a text, a link, whatever you'd like. So this is how you can attach documents in Microsoft Loop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.